There are so many skincare products on the market today, and I get it. It can be overwhelming to choose. Which ingredients work best? Which brands are trustworthy? What works best for me? I can help you narrow down your choices. Hi, I'm Lauren, and I'm with Brainy Beauty Reviews. I look at some of the greatest products on the market right now and recommend the best of the best. I've been with the beauty industry for several years now and have familiarized myself with everything skincare. My goal is to help women like you get the best and healthiest products. Now, vitamin C serums are big right now. They're great for moisturizing and creating a stunning glow. And unlike retinol, another common skincare product, they're less irritating and drying to the skin. Thousands of women have used vitamin C and praised its ability to reduce the appearance of fine lines. Many also love how smooth it makes their skin or the lightness of the formula. But again, which one do you choose? On my website, I reviewed 3 serums that I chose based on their ingredients, their credibility, and their effectiveness. Ready to find out which one ranked the highest? Click the link down below to head to my site and watch which product comes out on top.